Only 3 things change behavior in the long run. An epiphany, a change in the environment, what and who surrounds you, and taking baby steps.
64,000 is the median number of words per book. Average person reads about 200 words per minute. Simple math will tell us that is 1 book in 320 minutes. To accomplish this in 7 days, numbers say you would have to read for 45 minutes a day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button, like, comment, and share. Enjoy.
Welcome to the Book of the Week series. Every week as I read another amazing title, I share it with the world. My name is Igor S.F. Walker, and today we look at Conquer Worry and Anxiety, The Secret to Mastering Your Mind by Daniel G. Amen, MD. So how about you slow down and relax? Reduce all that noise for just a bit, make that choice, and decide to listen. In this video, we discover a guide to lasting change, teaching you how to make decisions that serve your brain's health and set you on a path to a happier, healthier, and more grateful life. Stick around till the end. I will share with you some tools I do have and use that will help you tremendously in this game of life. Discover a way to find out what actually motivates you, what innate human need is driving all of your decisions and your behavior. I will share some tools to improve your self-awareness, your social awareness, self-management, and relationship management. High motivation helps you do hard things. But if your motivation is medium or even low, you can still change. In fact, the fog's encouraging starting with these baby steps, or what they call tiny habits. Whenever you come to a decision point in a day, ask yourself, is this decision I am about to make good for my brain or bad for it? Technique number 1. Use hypnosis, guided imagery, and progressive muscle relaxation to enter a deep, relaxed state. Suggestion and auto-suggestion. Technique number 2. Master diaphragmatic breathing. Technique number 3. Become an expert at warming your hands with your mind. Technique number 4. Pray and or practice meditation, especially loving kindness meditation. Technique number 5. Create your emotional rescue playlist. A thought is harmless unless we believe it. It is not our thoughts, but the attachment to our thoughts that actually causes suffering. Attaching to a thought means believing that it is true without inquiring. A belief is a thought that we have been attached to, often for many years. Developing a habit of accurate, honest, and disciplined thinking is essential to overcoming worry and anxiety. Psychologist Mikhail Csikszentmihalyi, author of Flow, The Psychology of Optimal Experience, suggested that without other thoughts to occupy us, our brain will always return to the negative. The only way to escape this is to focus on what will bring flow, activities that increase our sense of purpose, our sense of achievement. In short, negative emotions trump positive emotions, which is why it is critical to discipline your natural tendency towards the negative and then amplify more helpful thoughts and emotions. By repeatedly allowing undisciplined thoughts to invade your mind, you are more likely to behave in ways that actually make terrible things happen, which is why it is critical to get control over your thoughts. whenever you feel sad, mad, nervous, or out of control, write down your automatic negative thoughts and then talk back to them. When you have a negative thought, without challenging it, I'm worthless, your mind believes it, and then your body reacts to it. But if you can correct negative thoughts. I was made in the image of God. I bring value and joy to my spouse's life, my children's lives, my friends' lives. You take away their power, not worthless. Over the years, therapists have identified 7 different types of negative thoughts, thought patterns that keep your mind off balance. I like to think of these as species of ants. Automatic negative thoughts. All or nothing ants. Thinking that things are either all good or all bad. Just the bad ants. Seeing only the bad in a situation. Guilt-beating ants. Thinking in words like should, must, ought, have to. Labeling ants. Attaching a negative label to yourself or to someone else. Fortune teller ants. Predicting the worst possible outcome for a situation with little or no evidence for it. Mind reader ants. Believing you know what other people are thinking even though they haven't told you. Blaming ants. Blaming someone else for your problems. It is possible to learn how to listen to your thoughts and redirect them so that you can feel happier and more positive whenever you feel sad, mad, nervous, or out of control. Write down your automatic negative thoughts, ants, A-N-Ts. Identify the ant species. It may be more than one. Ask yourself if you are 100% sure that the thought is actually true. Redirect your thoughts to focus on what is true. Confronting ants, automatic negative thoughts, with truth is a powerful tool. Don't believe every stupid thought that you do have. Dr. Martin Siegelman, PhD, considered the father of positive psychology, developed a concept known as learned helplessness. That has had a powerful influence over my career. He found that when dogs, rats, mice, even cockroaches experienced painful shocks over which they had no control, eventually they would just accept the pain without attempting to escape it. Humans, he discovered, do the same thing. So change your language and feelings around the situations you do face. You can stop being a victim. Take control wherever possible. And understand that hardships usually are temporary. Allow mistakes to be learning experiences rather than a final judgment on your self-worth. Everyone makes mistakes. It's how you respond to them that determines how quickly you do recover. Accepting a mistake and looking for the lesson you can take away from it will help you get over it and move on. Write down the highest and the most positive moments of your life. If you can find one moment, odds are you can find 2. If you can find 2, odds are you can find 4, and so on. See, physicians have been trying to drug the brain into submission since 1950s. The outcomes have been poor because doctors too often ignore the necessity of first putting the brain in the healing environment, addressing issues of sleep, toxins, diet, exercise, and supplement. It is really pretty straightforward if you think about it, isn't it? Bottom line is this. If you make a habit of asking, is this decision good for my brain or bad for it, at the moment of choice, and then make that choice, make that decision that is the best and in the best interest of the health of your brain, you will feel better. You will be less anxious, and you will be more fully equipped to actually handle whatever challenges come your way. Avoid anything that hurts your brain. Learn something new every day. Take a musical instrument, learn some new dance moves, new language, cooking. Sign up for a night class at your local community college. Volunteer to teach a class at your local library or community center. Not only will you make a few new friends, but engaging in new activities will help keep your brain sharp and your thoughts more focused. Detoxify your body. Kidneys, drink more water. Liver, eat detoxifying vegetables such as cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Gut, eat more fiber. Skin, work up a sweat, either with an exercise or use a sauna. When is it time to seek professional help? This is relatively easy to determine. I recommend that people seek professional help when their attitudes, their behaviors, their feelings, or their thoughts interfere with their ability to be successful in the world, whether in their relationships, in their work, or within themselves. And self-help techniques, such as the ones in this book, have actually not helped them fully alleviate the problem. And there you have it. Conquer worry and anxiety. The secret to mastering your mind. Now, please do help out. It is easy. Simply like this video so more people can enjoy it. Share it too, and do spread the word. Leave a comment and share your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. And the link to this book is in the description below. So buy it, read, never stop learning, especially learning about yourself and nature. So gift yourself by taking the free human needs test on my website and find out what actually motivates you. What innate human need is driving all of your decisions and all of your behavior. And if you feel you are ready to improve your self-awareness, your social awareness, your self-management, and relationship management even further, check out my Master of Life Awareness program. The links are in the description below. Thank you. Love and respect.